So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all my summer must-haves जो मैं particularly use करती हूँ summers में. So yes, I'll be covering the entire category from skincare to body care. So if you want to see it, please continue watching. But before that, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without making this intro any further longer, let's just dive straight into the video. So yes, moving forward with the first category, and that is face wash. And इसमें मेरा all time favorite is दिस सिंपल रिफ्रेशिंग फेस वॉश. लाइक ये हर टाइप के वेदर पे चल जाता है एंड इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर सेंसिटिव स्किन पीपल. लाइक पीपल हैविंग ऑयली एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन, उनके लिए काफी ज्यादा अमेजिंगली वर्क करता है. एंड अभी रिसेंटली आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस राइस वाटर ब्राइट फोमिंग फेस वॉश विच इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड द फेस शॉप. एंड समर्स में पर्टिकुलरली ये काफी ज्यादा अमेजिंगली वर्क कर रहा है. लाइक फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल इट्स लाइक वेरी गुड. बिल्कुल क्विक ही क्लीन बना देता है आपकी स्किन. लाइक दिस वन इन पर्टिकुलर इज अ फोमिंग फेस वॉश जिसमें लाइक पीपल हु फील कि उनकी फेस क्लीन नहीं हो रही है विदाउट हैविंग द फोम, तो उनके लिए दिस इज गुड. बट क्योंकि दिस इज अ जेल फेस वॉश तो इसमें ज्यादा फोम नहीं क्रिएट होता, बट दिस ऑल्सो क्लीन्स योर फेस एब्सोल्युटली वेल. सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द एक्सफोलिएटर. सो इन पर्टिकुलर आई वुड से पर्सनली मेरा जो है, आई हैव स्विच्ड फ्रॉम फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएटर्स टू लाइक केमिकल एक्सफोलिएंट्स, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो शोन हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट in my previous video, so I'll link it above so you can have a look on that. So I personally am using the ordinary peeling solution, that is the AHA and BHA peeling solution. But if you guys are not interested in that chemical peeling thing, so I have also started using this kit from Miniso, and this my sister gifted me on my birthday, and ever since that I am using it. So I'll show you कि इसमें क्या क्या है. So this is how the kit came. So this is the stand in which this brush came, and इसका एक और attachment है. Like it's very handy, it's very useful. Like अगर आपका एप्लीकेटर वेट है, so you can just hang it and ये proper dry हो जाएगा थोड़े टाइम के बाद. So this is the first attachment which is a silicone scrubber. Like इसमें आप फेस वॉश स्क्वीज करो and then you gently rub it. Like summers में बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हो जाता है पोर्स को क्लीन करना, क्योंकि sweat and dirt would like clog your pores and which would lead to pimples and other skin related issues. I just gently pour the face wash and scrub. ये पहला attachment है, and once you rotate it तो ये अलग हो जाता है, and then you can attach the other brush that came with it, and this is a very soft bristle वाला brush, so you can clean with this as well. So once you exfoliate your face, आपको जरूरी हो जाता है कि जो pores open है उसको close करो. So for that purpose toners are used, and currently I am using this Pilgrim toner which I got in a collaboration. So this one is the Secrets of Jeju Island, and this one contains white lotus, chamomile and witch hazel. So it's like really good. ये एक spray form of bottle में आता है which makes it very convenient and travel friendly. So yes, after washing my face I just spritz it over my face and बहुत ज़्यादा refreshing feel होता है. And other than that I also use this Kama Ayurveda's rose water which is like my holy grail. Like rose waters में ये या फिर forest essential I use. Like ये बहुत ज़्यादा amazing rose water है, एक calming सा effect देता है and काफ़ी ज़्यादा amazing लगता है. So moving forward with the moisturizers, I have been using this from a really long time. It's again the simple hydrating light moisturizer. Like summers के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है sensitive and oily skin people के लिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा light है. इसमें एक और वेरिएंट आता है that's meant for normal to dry skin people. So I use this one, and इस पे SPF भी है, so that's a really added on factor. And recently I have also ordered this from Smitten. Like अगर आपने वो haul नहीं देखा है, so I'll link it above. So this moisturizer is from the brand Plum, and it is from the green tea range. So this one is also a mattifying moisturizer. Like I personally, being a combination to oily skin, I prefer using mattifying moisturizers which are light on my skin and gets easily absorbed. So yes, this one is also a really good one. So SPF in summers is a must have. Like normally also मैं बोलती हूँ कि winters में भी SPF जरूरी होता है, but summers में और भी ज़्यादा जरूरी हो जाता है. So yes, I have these 3 sunscreens with me. So first is this OG sunscreen which is from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. It is SPF 50+. ये मैं काफी ज्यादा टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ and इसमें कोई भी white cast नहीं आता है. Next is again my recent purchase from Smitten, and it's a trial pack, yes, and it's from the brand Plum, and this is 35 PA++ sunscreen जो कि again green tea range से है. And lastly is this Requel Ultra Dry Touch sunscreen जो कि काफी ज्यादा mattifying है, and this one again is 50 PA triple plus. So once you apply this one in particular, it feels like आपने प्राइमर लगाया हुआ है, and that's like really good. बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ और मैट स्किन बना देता है ये, and तीनों में ही कोई भी वाइट कास्ट नहीं. Moving forward with the lip balms, I would recommend you these two lip balms. Like अगर आपको tinted lip balm पसंद है, so you should go with this Nivea Cherry Shine. इसमें और भी variants आते हैं. इसमें एक हल्का सा पिंकी सी शाइन आपको दिखेगी. So this is the first one, whereas the second one is a clear lip balm which is from Blue Heaven, and this is how it comes in this cute packaging. So once you rotate it, ऐसे एक lip balm निकलता है राउंड सा, and then you apply it, and ये clear lip balm है, and इसमें भी काफी variants आते हैं. This one in particular is the cocoa variant, and इसमें vanilla beans की बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है. So it's like really good, काफ़ी thick consistency है इसकी, and it would literally nourish your dry and chapped lips. So next must have are these sheet masks. Like मैं ये normally नहीं लगाती हूँ. I only apply these when my skin feels like really dehydrated and dull. So ये लगा के काफ़ी ज़्यादा amazing लगता है. Like the results don't last that longer, but yes, skin को एक hydration ज़रूर मिल जाता है. So I also use these. Another important thing for me in summers is to remain odor free, and for that I use antiperspirants roll-ons and sticks, and currently I am using this Dove antiperspirant stick. So this is how it comes. ये एक ऐसे ट्यूब से फॉर्म में आता है, and once you rotate यहाँ से, so ये स्टिक ऊपर आती रहती है, and that's how you use it. And ये एकदम क्लियर है, there is no residue whatsoever. तो ये काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है and काफी रिफ्रेशिंग स्मेल है. Like this one particularly is in the variant cucumber and green tea. So एक काफ़ी सूदिंग सी फ्रेग्रेंस है, and that's what I like about this one. And this one in particular retails for $599, but ये आपको ऑफ पे आराम से मिल जाएगी. And if you don't want to go for this, you can choose like body mist or deodorants. And currently I'm using this body mist from Plum again, and it's from their body loving range, which is in the fragrance Hawaiian Rumba. Like recently मैंने इनका vanilla vibes भी ले लिया, and that's also like really good. ये दोनों ही ट्रायल पैक्स थे, मैंने स्पिटन से लिए थे, बट येस आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना बाय द लार्जर वेरिएंट फॉर दीज. फॉर बॉडी लोशन आई एम यूजिंग दिस Nivea naturally good body lotion which is in the fragrance natural lavender, and this one particularly comes in a very less plastic usage bottle. Like ये completely squeeze हो जाएगी ऐसे after using, तो प्लास्टिक वैसा थिक वाला नहीं है इसका. It's like squeezy bottle, and आप इसको रोल अप करके जितना भी रिमेनिंग है सब निकाल दोगे. So a initiative like this from a brand is like highly appreciable, and इसकी fragrance भी बहुत mild है. It's very light on your skin, absorb बहुत easily हो जाती है, and is very good for summers. Lastly, I came across a new product from Miniso, and these are the oil absorbent sheets. And ये एक ऐसे दो sets के pack में आती है. Like both of these have 70 sheets each, and this one retails for 200. Like let me show you. So this one is in the fragrance green tea, and ऐसे ये दो sheets में आती है, and it's like really good, काफी convenient है carry करने में. And once you open this, so these are the sheets, and पीछे ऐसे push लिखा हुआ है. So once you push it, तो sheets ऊपर आती है, and you can just pull it out. So काफी ज़्यादा पतली sheets, more or less it's like a blotting paper, काफी ज़्यादा thin है. And अगर आपने makeup apply किया हुआ है, so you will not like continuously rubbing it over and removing the makeup. So this one comes in handy at that time. So आप इसमें से एक sheet निकालो, and if the T-zone is oily, तो आप उस पर gently dab करो, and all the sweat would be absorbed in this one. तो मुझे ये काफी ज़्यादा amazing लगा. So I'll definitely use this one and let you know कि ये उतना effective है या नहीं. And also don't forget to drink a lot of water in the summer season, ताकि आपकी body dehydrated ना feel करे. So yes, that was all about the summer must-haves that I wanted to tell you guys. Like जो भी products मेरी holy grail है summer season में, and hope you would have liked it and found this video helpful. And if you did, so you already know the drill. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. And until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all.